ChatGPT's new feature is mind-blowing. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and in today's video, let's talk about ChatGPT's new feature. Starting with ChatGPT 5, GPT-5 intelligently switches between fast responses and deep reasoning using a built-in router. So it's agile yet powerful when needed. It also excels at writing, coding, math, visual tasks, and health-related queries, outperforming past models on benchmarks. It's significantly less likely to hallucinate and better at admitting when it does not know something. And you can now choose how ChatGPT responds, whether concise, supportive, witty, or analytical. Talking about ChatGPT Agent, this upgrade turns ChatGPT into an agent with real autonomy. It can use a browser, a terminal, and tools to perform tasks like online research and code execution. It's the logical evolution from the former operator and deep research tools, now merged into a single powerful agent system. And if you want a detailed cited report in minutes instead of days or weeks, deep research does that with autonomous browsing the web and generating polished summaries. So this was about ChatGPT's new feature. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.